Look, I'm about to say something that might tick off half of you watching right now, but hear me out, because this is real. The AR-15's dominance as America's go-to home defense weapon, it's being challenged. Hard. And no, this isn't about politics or gun control or any of that nonsense. This is about technology catching up. See, modern shotguns in 2026 have evolved into something completely different from what your dad kept in the closet. We're talking faster cycling, devastating stopping power, and here's the kicker: way better legal standing when it comes to home defense situations. And I'm telling you right now, what's happening with tactical shotguns deserves your attention. The number one pick on this list is going to surprise a lot of people. Some of your shooting buddies have probably never even heard of it. But before we dive into the countdown, let's get something straight. I'm not here to tell you ARs are bad. They're not. But when we're talking about defending your home and your family, there are 4 things that actually matter. First, stopping power. Can the weapon end the threat immediately? Not eventually. Immediately. Second, legal defensibility. God forbid you ever have to use your weapon, what happens in the courtroom afterward matters a lot. Third, ease of use under stress. When your heart rate hits 180 and your hands are shaking, how many controls do you need to remember? And fourth, reliability. Will the gun go bang every single time you pull the trigger? That's how we're evaluating these 9 shotguns, and I think you'll be surprised how they stack up against America's favorite rifle. Let's get to work. Number 9. Mossberg 590 RM Chisel. We're starting with a controversial take. Pump-action shotguns are supposed to be dead, right? Outdated tech? Tell that to the Mossberg 590 RM Chisel. This gun is proof that pump guns didn't die, they just went to the gym. The RM series does something genius. They relocated the magazine tube to run alongside the barrel instead of underneath it. That drops the bore axis way down, which drastically reduces muzzle flip. It sounds like a small engineering tweak, but when you shoot it, the difference is night and day. Follow-up shots are faster, the recoil feels softer, and the gun stays flat. Then there's the stock. This Chisel stock is a minimalist chassis with a vertical grip that actually forces your hand into the proper position. No more of those old-school tactical pistol grips that break your wrist angle. This keeps your arm in line with the bore, driving that recoil straight back into your shoulder where you want it, not snapping the muzzle up. You can run this thing as fast as most semi-autos, and here's the kicker: it will never jam. An AR-15 is a machine, with gas rings and buffers. Machines break. Pumps don't. If you picked this, you're a survivalist. You trust your own arm more than a gas system. Number 8. Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol. Moving up, you might think this next one is just a bird gun painted black, but you'd be dead wrong. The Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol is what happens when a legacy Italian gunmaker stops being polite and starts getting tactical. The A300 action has been around for years, and it's famous for one thing: it just doesn't stop. Now pay attention here. Beretta dropped their high-end Blink gas system into this budget-friendly model, which is unheard of at this price point. It cycles 36% faster than any other shotgun in its class. It's self-cleaning, so you can run 1,000 rounds of cheap buckshot and it won't choke. The Ultima Patrol also adds an enlarged bolt release and a cross-bolt safety you can actually find when your adrenaline is dumping. Plus, the recoil is non-existent. Rifles require training. Charging handles, forward assists, finding the bolt catch. This A300 has 2 controls: safety and trigger. Under life or death stress, simplicity wins. You don't want to think. You want to react. If this is your pick, you're the pragmatic defender. You don't have a massive ego. You just want gear that works. I actually mentioned a specific technical detail about that gas system just now. If you're a real Beretta nerd and you caught the mistake, drop it in the comments. Let's see who's paying attention. Number 7. IWI Tavor TS12. All right, let's get weird. Number 7 is the IWI Tavor TS12. The capacity on this thing is massive, but wait until you see the hybrid at number 5 that makes your AR-15 look obsolete. The TS12 looks like it walked off the set of a sci-fi movie, and honestly, That's a compliment. This bullpup design hides 3 separate magazine tubes, each holding 5 rounds. Do the math. That's 15 rounds of 12 gauge on tap before you ever have to reload. Let that sink in. 15 rounds. You rotate the tubes manually, which gives you a crazy tactical advantage. You can load 1 tube with buckshot, 1 with slugs, and 1 with less lethal rounds. It's basically 3 guns in 1. Because it's a bullpup, the overall length is only 28 inches, even with a full 18.5-inch barrel. You're getting full ballistic performance in a package shorter than an MK-18. Is the trigger weird? Yeah, a little. It's a bullpup. They're never match grade. And the weight balance is all in the rear. But give it 100 rounds and your brain adapts. Once it does, this is a CQB monster. You clear corners faster, you transition targets faster, and you aren't flagging your position by sticking 3 feet of barrel around a doorway. If you chose this, you're a capacity junkie. You believe in overwhelming firepower, and frankly, you aren't wrong. Number 6. Fostech Origin 12. This is insane, but it's real. The Fostech Origin 12 is what happens when engineers stop asking why and start asking why not. This is a semi-automatic shotgun that feeds from box magazines. We're talking 5-rounders, 10-rounders, even massive drum mags. You are done reloading 1 shell at a time through a tube. You are now doing tactical mag changes just like you're running a rifle course. It uses a short-stroke gas piston system that eats everything. Light target loads, heavy 3-inch magnums, slugs, you name it. And because that gas system absorbs the punch, the recoil is surprisingly soft compared to a pump gun. The ergonomics feel like home. If you've ever run an AR-15, you already know how to drive this. Safety selector, charging handle, mag release, it's all right where your muscle memory expects it to be. Here's the kicker though. In states where AR-15s are banned or heavily restricted, the Origin 12 often flies under radar because legally, it's a shotgun. You get semi-auto speed and rifle-style handling while staying compliant. That isn't just clever engineering, that's strategic survival. If you picked this, you're a tactical innovator. You saw the future before everyone else did. Number 5. Genesis Arms Gen 12. Now if you like the Fostech, number 5 is going to blow your mind. This is the Genesis Arms Gen 12. What if I told you there's a shotgun that literally is an AR-15? The Gen 12 is built on a standard AR-10 style lower receiver. That means your existing triggers, your favorite grips, and your stocks all work. But the upper receiver? That's chambered in 12 gauge. You get the exact ergonomics of the rifle platform you've been training on for years, combined with the devastating power of a shotgun. It uses a short-stroke recoil system, making it cleaner than direct impingement rifles. It feeds from detachable magazines just like the Origin 12. 5 rounds for restricted states, 10 rounds for the free world. Here is the massive advantage. If you already own an AR, you can swap lowers in under 60 seconds. 1 serialized lower, 2 uppers. You have a battle rifle and a scatter gun without needing 2 separate background checks or tax stamps. You don't need to learn a new manual of arms. You just mount the upper and go to work. If you chose this, you're a systems thinker. You value modularity and efficiency. You understand that the best weapon is the one that fits seamlessly into the skills you already have. Number 4. Mossberg 940 Pro Tactical. Let's get back to pure speed. Here's a question nobody asked. What happens when a competition shotgun gets angry? You get the Mossberg 940 Pro Tactical. This thing was born on the 3-gun circuit, where milliseconds matter, and a malfunction means you go home a loser. Mossberg took that speed demon DNA, wrapped it in tactical black, added ghost ring sights, and gave it an 8-shot tube. Suddenly, a race gun became a defender. The gas system is tuned for rapid cycling. We are talking splits that rival semi-auto rifles. The trigger is crisp, almost too sharp for a defensive gun, but that's because they didn't dumb it down for the tactical market. They kept the competition guts. The loading port is beveled, and the receiver is cut for a red dot right out of the box. You can run this like a CQB carbine. And remember, an AR-15 gives you 30 rounds of 5.56. Each trigger pull sends one small projectile. This 940 gives you 8 rounds of 00 buck. That is 72 projectiles. In a close-quarters hallway ambush, you aren't aiming for a precision headshot. You are pointing and flooding the threat zone with lead. The shotgun wins that fight every single time. Who is this for? You're the guy who trains. You run drills. You know that speed is security. Number 3. Benelli M4 EXT. The Benelli M4 is a legend, and I'm probably going to make some enemies by putting it at number 3, because the gun at number 1 makes this look ancient. But let's respect the king. The M4 EXT uses the Argo system, auto-regulating gas-operated. This system has been tortured by the US Marines and militaries around the globe. That isn't marketing hype. That is battlefield validation. The Argo system uses 2 stainless steel pistons instead of 1. That means heat and carbon get distributed, keeping the gun running when others choke. The bolt is over-engineered. The receiver is steel. The whole gun feels like it was built to survive a tank rolling over it. And honestly, it probably would. The EXT model gives you the 7-round tube, ghost ring sights, and a Picatinny rail. You can load full-power 3-inch magnums and the recoil is still manageable. Here is where the rifle comparison gets interesting. An AR-15 is modular, which means small parts. Break. The M4 is a sealed unit. You clean the barrel, wipe the bolt, and you're done. No gas rings to fry, no buffer springs to lose. It is reliability through simplicity. Italian style. Number 2. Beretta 1301 Tactical Mod 2. This is the gun that changed everything. The Beretta 1301 Tactical Mod 2. Beretta took the already dominant 1301 platform and refined every single detail based on feedback from law enforcement and guys like us. The Mod 2 features an improved loading port so you don't pinch your thumb, an aggressive texture on the stock that actually grips your shoulder, and a redesigned flat trigger. But the heart of the beast is the actual blink gas system. This is the fastest cycling action in the world. It cycles in 36 milliseconds. That is faster than your brain can process the recoil impulse. You pull the trigger, and before you even feel the kick, the next round is chambered. Follow-up shots are so fast that untrained observers will swear you are shooting full auto. It comes with a 7-round tube and sights that co-witness with a red dot. It is a complete fighting system right out of the box. Now, here is why it beats the rifle. Over-penetration. An AR-15 round in an apartment complex goes through walls. It risks collateral damage. The 1301 Mod 2, loaded with Federal Flight Control buckshot, delivers a pattern the size of a fist that dumps all its energy into the bad guy. 9 pellets, 1 shot stop. No exit wounds hitting the neighbor's kid. In a civilian defense context, that is not just superior performance, that is moral superiority. Number 1. Beretta 1301 LTT. If the Mod 2 is a Porsche, this is the Formula 1 car. Number 1 is the Beretta 1301 LTT. This isn't just a shotgun. It is a collaboration between Beretta and Langdon Tactical, one of the most respected gunsmithing houses on the planet. Ernest Langdon took the already incredible 1301 and perfected it. The LTT version features a Magpul Zukov handguard for better ergonomics and M-lock slots. They've added a Nordic Components magazine extension that fits perfectly flush. But the real magic is inside. The trigger has been polished and tuned. Every sharp edge has been dehorned. The loading port is opened up even further. This gun doesn't feel like a tool. It feels like an extension of your body. It takes all the reliability of the Mod 2 and adds a level of refinement that you usually only see in $5,000 custom rifles. Why is this number 1? Because it represents the absolute peak of what a defensive firearm can be. At 7 yards, 9. Pellets of double-aught buck create a wound channel the size of a softball. No rifle cartridge on earth delivers that level of immediate tissue disruption. You aren't just stopping the threat, you are shutting down their entire nervous system instantly. If you chose this, you're an elite operator, So there it is, 9 shotguns that prove the rifle's dominance is fading fast. We are living in 2026, and the technology has finally caught up. Modern shotguns cycle faster, hit harder, and give you the legal clarity that rifles just can't match anymore. The era of dismissing shotguns as FUD guns is over. Now, I want to hear from you. Did I get the #1 spot right with the Langdon Tactical? Or are you still clinging to your AR-15? Drop your argument in the comments. Tell me which gun I underrated and which one you're buying next. And hey, if you caught that detail about the gas system I dropped back at #8, let me know what I got wrong. Train hard, stay dangerous.